Hi everyone. In this video I am explaining about how to draw velocity and acceleration diagram for a link. This acceleration and velocity diagrams plays a very important role in the development of machines and their mechanisms. Now let us see how to draw a velocity diagram for a link. Okay, for that purpose I am considering the one rigid link AB. I am considering the rigid link AB and their ends represents with a point A and B, and this link is rotated with angular velocity omega in counterclockwise direction. Now the velocity of any point, now I am finding the velocity of point B with respect to point A is perpendicular to the direction is perpendicular to the just see here, the velocity of any point on a link, that means either point A or point B. Here I am considering the point B. The velocity of a point B with respect to the other point, that means with respect to the point A, is always perpendicular to the line joining of these 2 points. That means the line AB. This is the velocity of B with respect to A. Actually, the relative velocity method tells the velocity of any point on a link with respect to the another point on the same link is always perpendicular to the line joining these points on the space diagram. The link mechanism shows the space diagram. Now I want to find the velocity of point B with respect to point A is always perpendicular to that link. Okay, here the link is AB. Now in velocity diagram we have to represent with a small letters the point A. Now the direction we know, the direction of the velocity of B we know here, and we have to find out the magnitude. Okay, how to find out the length of AB, small AB, that means velocity of B with respect to A is represented in terms of vector notation is AB. This is equal to omega into capital AB. Here the capital AB represents the length of the link. From this we can find out the length of AB. The length of AB means velocity of B with respect to A. Now we can see another point on the same link. Okay, I am considering the point C. Now how to find out velocity of C with respect to A? Okay, it represent in a velocity diagram is AC. Okay, again the velocity of AC is equal to omega into the length of the link, that is AC. If we observe these two equations, the omega is constant. That means if we equate these two equations, velocity of AB by velocity of CA, that means small AB by small AC is equal to capital AB by capital AC. From this equation what we can observe is the point C on the vector. Okay, this is AB is a small AB is a vector. Point C on a vector AB divides, it is in the same ratio as C divides in the link AB. Okay, the ratio of in velocity diagram is equal to same as space diagram. Now we can see how to draw acceleration diagram. Okay, here it is same. I am considering the same link AB. Let us consider 2 points A and B on a rigid link. Now let point B moves with respect to point A with the angular velocity omega and angular acceleration alpha. Now the velocity of point B with respect to A, as we know, it is perpendicular to the link AB. This will represent the velocity of B with respect to A. Now, as we know that if any point, as we know, any point or any particle moving along the circular path, it has two types of accelerations. One is centripetal acceleration, or we call radial acceleration. That means if any particle moves along circular path, it has two components of accelerations. One is radial acceleration or centripetal acceleration. The second one is tangential acceleration. Okay, now how to find this radial and tangential acceleration? Okay, the radial acceleration, the first one. Okay, here I'm calculating the radial acceleration of point B with respect to A. R represents the radial acceleration. Okay, it is calculated with this equation, that is omega square into the length of AB. The radial acceleration is equal to omega square into AB. Now I convert this omega square in terms of linear velocity, v square BA by capital AB square and AB cancel, v square B with respect to A by AB. Okay, here if you want calculate the radial acceleration, A or B with respect to A is equal to v square BA by AB. How to get this VBA? Okay, here VBA will be calculated from the velocity diagram. We can measure the length of the velocity of BA. That means in the acceleration diagram, it represents the small AB square. First we can calculate the length of AB from the velocity diagram. According to that, we can estimate what is the radial acceleration of the link AB. Now the second one is tangential acceleration. Tangential, T represents the tangential acceleration of point B with respect to A is equal to alpha into AB. Here alpha is the angular acceleration of the link AB. Now how to draw these two components in the velocity acceleration diagram. First, here we can see the radial component is perpendicular to the radial component always act AR always act perpendicular to the velocity. Always act perpendicular to the velocity of that link. Velocity of the link or velocity diagram. That means if it is perpendicular to velocity means it is parallel to space diagram. Space diagram means it is parallel to that link. Again I am repeating, the radial component is act perpendicular to velocity diagram, or in other words it is parallel to the link or the space diagram. And the second component, that is tangential component, it is acting parallel to velocity diagram. In other words, it is act perpendicular to the link or space diagram. Again I am repeating, the tangential component of acceleration is act parallel to velocity diagram or perpendicular to link. And here one more important point is, here you can note it as note, if a link has if any link moves with constant acceleration, constant angular velocity, okay, if any link moves with constant angular velocity, that means it has only omega, there is no tangential component. The link move with constant angular velocity has no angular tangential, there is no tangential component. Okay, this is very important. If the link moves with constant angular velocity, that means it has only omega, at that link don't have tangential component, it have only radial component. Now we can see how to draw the above diagram. Now I am starting with the point B. Okay, now first I am considering the point B. Okay, again I will repeat everything. Okay, you can choose any one of the point. I am considering the point B. First, our step is calculate. We know what are the given known. Okay, first we can find out the radial component, AR B with respect to A, that is equal to V square BA by AB. Here first we can estimate what is the velocity of BA. According to that we can get the radial component. The radial component is parallel to the link AB. Just if you see here, it is 45-degree angle line AB. Now I am drawing the same 45-degree line. Okay, this length we can find from this equation. Once if you know this, okay, let us assume Bx is my radial component. After that we can estimate the tangential component, that is I am considering the Ax, that is ATB with respect to A. This we can calculate from the alpha into AB. Okay, we know alpha value and the length AB, which is perpendicular to the link. Once if you know the magnitude of this Ax value, okay, we can get A value. This is the radial component ARBA. This is A tangential BA. Once if you get this, okay, we can close these two. Okay, this will represent the now join point A and B. That okay, now this is the velocity, this is the acceleration of point B with respect to A. Again I am repeating how to draw acceleration diagram. First we can estimate the radial component of the link AB, that we can find from this equation, that V square by length AB. Once we can get the magnitude, we can draw the length, we can draw one line, the line BX. After that, from point X we can draw perpendicular to the line BX. The magnitude of the perpendicular line is alpha into AB. Okay, according to that we can identify the point A. Once we can get point A, join point A and point B. Now AB will represent the acceleration of point B with respect to A. Here one more point is, this radial component is acting towards the reference point. That means this is the radial component and this is A tangential BA. Hope you understand this acceleration diagram. Acceleration for a link. In next video